Hello everyone, today in this video I am going to show you how to create a website or app using HTML, CSS and JavaScript without spending any amount of money. So first of all you have to open VS Code and then create a new folder. For this I will open folder and go to document. You can choose your own storage space. Now I will name it my HTML site and then select this folder and I will trust the author. Now you have to create three files. First one is index.html and second one is style.css and third is script.js. And we are not going to use GitHub Copilot because it is a paid tool. That's why we will use Gemini Code Assist. It is free. We can also do manually coding, but it takes too much time. That's why I will use Gemini Code Assist. And we will allow it for present mode and then add context, add the folder we have created in my HTML site, and ask Gemini to create a simple website. You can give any kind of prompt, any type of website you want. Create a website. Here I am giving the prompt to create a for selling website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And now send this prompt. Wait until it is creating the website. Index.html has been created successfully. Now it's time for style.css. And now it will create script.js. Until it is creating the website, I will create a new GitHub repository. I will name it as HTML website and I will select it private. Now it's time to push the website into this repository. Still, it is creating the website. When the website is ready, we will push this website to GitHub repository. To push this to GitHub repository, we will use this URL, repository URL. Now our website is ready. It's time to push this website to GitHub repository we have recently created. For this, we will copy the URL, repository URL here, and then open the VS Code terminal and paste this URL here and press enter. Title not repository. Okay. It, and now I will push this. Use origin. First of all, I will branch it. Git branch m main. Git push origin main. Git add git commit m updated git push origin main. Okay. And our website is now inside the GitHub repository. And now it's time to host this website. So when I refresh this repository, I can see the website is inside. Here you can see the website is inside this repository. Now it's time to host this website. For this, to host this website, I will open Netlify and now create an add new project, import an existing project, and then choose GitHub. And now we will choose the repository we have created recently. Here, here, here I will search the repository HTML website and now click on save and now click on deploy website. It is getting deployed. It is in the process. So we will wait until the process completed. Even after successfully deploying, we can change the website look, UI, anything. We can add database, admin panel, anything after the deploying get completed. It is like a CI/CD process. It is still in the process. Successfully deployed, and I will open this. Here you can see the website is successfully deployed, and I can open this. If I want to change the look of this website, I will come here And I will ask Gemini to change the look of this website. Change the look of this website. You can add database, admin panel, login, sign up, anything. Also, you can integrate payment system with this website. It is changing the look of the website until for now. Okay, look has been still in the process. You can also change the custom domain. You can also connect the website with custom domain. It is extremely easy process. First of all, you will have to buy your domain from anywhere like GoDaddy or Hostinger. It is updating the design. You can share this URL to anyone. Once the designing process complete, I will push the update to GitHub. Whenever we will make any edit in the website, we will push this change to GitHub. Still, we will wait until the process get completed. It is taking some time until for now. I will show you how to attach custom domain with this website. First of all, you will have to visit here and then project configuration. And then click on domain management and click on add domain. If you have domain already, you can paste the domain name here and click on verify. By the way, I don't have any domain right now. That why that's why I will go back to his code. I think the agent has been stuck. That's why I will stop the process right now and end this video right now.